Imagine you are at the top of a very tall and steep hill. Let your current height from the sea level indicate the potential energy you hold. The higher you are, higher the potential energy. So you must be all pumped up with a lot of energy at your disposal. But deep inside, you would have this temptation to get down and feel safer. So you run down the hill, leaving behind all the excitement you have had to your stable, safe state. Sounds like a familiar story, huh? Well, unsurprisingly, this is how most of the things around us work. Objects with high energy levels tend to give up their energy to reach a stable, safe state. Now, let us revisit the example of you running down the hill. But this time, instead of a perfectly steep hill, we will have a cottage midway. So as you run down the hill, you might want to take some rest at the cottage. You could say you're partially safe there, but truth be told, there is no place as safe as the bottom of the hill. So we will call your current state a metastable state. One must note that this applies not only to the systems within the universe, but also to the entities that make up the universe. If the universe is stable and characterized by the lowest energy level possible, we say it is in a vacuum state. There are two vacuum states it can be in. A false vacuum state, which is analogous to the metastable cottage you were staying in, and a true vacuum state, which forms the global minimum. If the universe as we know, characterized by all its physics, is in fact in the false vacuum state, then we may be in for a disaster. This is because of the possibility that the false vacuum state may decay into the true vacuum state when stimulated by the creation of high-energy particles or through quantum mechanical tunneling. This decay is known as false vacuum decay, and the probability of it happening is pretty much low. Perhaps we don't even know for sure whether it will happen or not. But once it gets triggered at some point in the universe, the result is a stark change in its anatomy, consuming the universe as we know it. And who knows what lies beyond is a totally different macrocosm.